Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are continuing our Laravel blog series. So guys, now we are going to learn about how to integrate the data table in Laravel application. So guys, data table in the sense we are going to do a search box and pagination option for our display data in HTML tables. Okay. So guys, now let's see a demo. So on this datatable.net website, here we see a demo that you can see that the pagination type, and here is a search option and the pagination also. Okay. So we are going to integrate this data tables in our application. So guys, you can find that CSS CDN link over here and JS link and the script. So now let's begin it. So guys, let's get back to our editor first. Let's close all the files, and yet where we have to integrate that in the users table and your post view also, and in your category view also. Okay. So first let's begin with the users table. Okay. So yep, let's go to resource views, and here you move to admin users and your index blade file. So inside this you can find the master layout, right? So let's go to this master layout and include the CSS link and the JS links. So first let's go to data table, and here you find CSS link. Copy this and go to editor. So guys, you can add after your any link and just paste that. And let's go to the script. Here I'm going to paste after this. So you can just copy this JS link, type the script and give src is equal to and paste that. All set. Yep. And now you can just copy this code, and here you go with the script tag. So guys, one thing you should need that to work this document or dollar and all, you need one jQuery CDN link. Okay, so I have just already pasted this jQuery. So let's save, and now guys, this is your my table. Okay, so instead of my table, let's tell my data table. Now let's copy this and go to the user table and just paste that ID in the table heading. That's it. So now you can find, refresh. Cool. So you can see that guys, all the option is come over here. Okay. So same concept goes with your post table. Okay. So here you can see that designs are missing out. Just you can go to the examples and you can just search with bootstrap. So here you see bootstrap 4, 5, whatever it's comfortable, you can just add on that. So I'm continuing like this only. Yep. Let's get back and go to the post index and just add that ID in the table tag. That's it. And same concept with the category. Let's add that ID, and here you see. Okay, so how this is working, because it's already in the master blade, so I have already pasted that CDN links. Okay, so it's working that way. Now let's view on post. Here you see your post all done. Search for PHP, search for Laravel. Okay, and same with category. Done guys. Okay, so now guys, let me just show you how to integrate this bootstrap design also. So I'll just bootstrap 5, and here you find that JavaScript and your CSS and the HTML table. So this is an example which we don't require, which we already have this. Okay, so we just need this CSS link. So you can find this is your bootstrap link, but we don't require this, we already have. Only just you need to copy with the second link. So just copy the second link, go to your master blade file and just link that. So link CSS, here you paste that. All done. So this is your bootstrap file, and the JavaScript file we required. We need this too. This is already we have imported, and the second one, let's import this, copy, and this CDN link we already have. I'll just show you. Okay, it's over here. After this, let's add a script and paste. Let's see. So guys, now let's get back and refresh. So here we see bootstrap is applied over here, but the CSS are missing, guys. Like something is gone messy with the data table CSS because the bootstrap version has been updated. Okay, so we are using bootstrap 5.1, but this bootstrap is giving us 5.0. Okay, so for that case, guys, it's messy. Okay, so we can just inspect and just set up with our CSS. Let's set up that. Okay, so I'm going to select here, and with this paginate, so let's copy the CSS class and get back. Just add that a custom style, styl style, paste here, open and close. Let's close the padding to 0px important semicolon. Let me align it, copy and paste, and same with the margin. All done. So let's save, and yep, let's refresh. Cool. So the link is done, and over here you can see that it's little messy, right? So let's inspect that also and set it up. So we are on the select, and here you see width auto. So instead that, let's give width 50%. So it's fine. Let's copy this and paste that. So you can call this width, not widow, width colon 50%, and let's keep it as important. Okay, save, refresh. Done, guys. So guys, we have successfully integrated our data tables in Laravel application, which means we have integrated the search box and the pagination also. Okay, so guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like, and share.